Alright, next up's our 2017 NT Racing 4-box case, group break number 41. Got everybody in here. Let's go 5 times on the names. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Jason at 1, Jason at 10. This will be your slot in the break. Let's get our serial numbers for box number 1. Alrighty, 1 through 10, 5 times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 4 top, 8 bottom. So box number 1, Jason 4 and 3, Kyle 0, Dave C 1, James 9, Benjamin 5, 2, and 6, Doug 7, Jason 8. Alrighty, good luck you guys. I got everybody's invoices out so we can just sort this as we go. Jimmy Johnson, Dale Earnhardt, 21 of 25. That's 1. It's going to Dave C. Dale Jr., Elliott, and Casey Kane, 12 of 25. It's 2. That's going to Benjamin. Carl Edwards, 101. It's Dave C. Kenny Wallace, 40 of 70. That's 0. It's Kyle. Ray Evernham, 54-70, 4. It's Jason. John Hunter Nemechek, 10 of 20, 0. Kyle. Dale Jr., 12 of 15, 2. Benjamin. And then our dual signature materials gold, Carl Edwards, Greg Biffle. Random that off. It's the only booklet redemption in the set. Seen this one before multiple times. It's 5 times winner at the top. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's Benjamin. Let's get our serial numbers for box number 2. Five times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 top, 7 bottom. Jason with 4, 3, Kyle with 8, Dave C with 9, James 1, Benjamin 0, 6, and 2, Doug 5, Jason 7. Alrighty. Good luck, you guys. Eric Jones, 11 of 20. That's 1. That's James. Denny Hamlin, 5 of 20. Doug. Kyle Busch, 2 of 5. It's Benjamin. Joey Gase, 9 of 50. Dave C. Mark Martin, 4 of 15. Jason. AJ Allmendinger, 2 of 20. Benjamin. Carl Edwards, 3 of 15. Jason. And our booklet, Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Casey Kane. 1 of 1. It's going to James. Nice hit, James. The 1 of 1 Earnhardt Jr. and Casey Kane. Let's get our numbers for box 3. Five times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jason 5, Jason 6, Kyle 4, Dave C with 7, James right back to 1, Benjamin 0, 3, and 9, Doug 2, Jason 8. Alrighty, good luck, you guys. Brad Kozlowski, 15 of 20. It's 5. Jason. Martin Truex, 1 of 25. 1. James. Kevin Harvick, 2 of 4. It's Doug. Rusty Wallace, 9 of 10. Benjamin. Junior Johnson, 7 of 25. Dave C. Cole Custer, 10 of 15. That's 0. That's Benjamin. Joey Logano, 1 of 1 printing plate. It's going to James. One of 1. And last, Carl Edwards, 10 of 20. 0. Benjamin. Alrighty, box number 4. Good luck, guys. Five times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 top, 4 bottom. Jason 0 and 6, Kyle 5, Dave C with 9, James 7, Benjamin 2, 3 and 8, Doug with 1, and Jason 4. Alrighty, good luck, you guys. Austin Dillon, it's 2 of 5. It's Benjamin. Nice one here, Joey Logano, 1 of 5. Doug. One of 1, Jimmy Johnson. Going to Doug. One of 1, Denny Hamlin. Going to Doug. Mike Wallace, 8 of 15. It's Benjamin. Corey LaJoy, 11/20. It's Doug. And our 101, Ryan Blaney. It's going to Doug, so. So Doug got 3 101s in that box. And last, our booklet, Kevin Harvick, 25/25. It's going to Kyle.